I'm Brian Panisha, co-founder and product manager for nVeris. We're going to take you through a quick tour and describing three key features of nVeris. So what you see here is a setup for a great charity. You just simply enter a description of the value stream, what the outcome or result is, and you want to know what their unit or demand rate is per year, and what their budget is. And with those simple prompts, you can get started. This provides your workshop or audience with a visual flow of value that is relatable and they can engage with immediately. Facilitators can engage with you in the chat to make refinements or adjustments. So here you can set a rapid score that doesn't replace full scoring, but it lets you get to and compare different scenarios quickly. What we're going to do here is load up multiple scenarios that the AI prompted or suggested, so you can see how quickly and how low stakes it is to create different ideas and scenarios. These can be chats that actual people from your audience provide that take you right into their exact context. So here you're seeing how you can turn the dials and make adjustments to your initial metrics or actual scores and see the economic benefits. Imagine the power of people connecting their ideas, then multiplying that by the scenarios that the AI can bring in from all of the subject matter available for that domain or context. So now let's look at any device, anywhere collaboration. You can manually map at any time or refine after the AI gets you started. And what we're showing here is how you could open up a session with a simple QR code. And this is simulating a couple of mobile devices coming in, but you could have even 5, 10, 15, or 20. They can swarm on the map to make it their own. Here you can see they're getting right into scoring after refining the map. And you can also set up a dot voting scenario for where you want a Gemba walk to learn more, or where you would apply a limited amount of enablement budget to improve. But nVeris is also a fully featured value stream management. So you can create groups, will sum up your metrics for multiple related value streams. You can dot vote, set up enablements, and you can baseline your value stream and then measure your adapt cycles. Here you're seeing ideas generated by users from a future state. And when you implement an enablement, it's going to ask you two key questions. And we'll show you what that gives you in a minute here. So we can see flow time bottleneck reports in real time, find out how we can address that greatest bottleneck. You can see the distribution of scores by function, group, or system. And you'll find over time as you become more T-shaped that converges. And then of course you can measure your flow performance trending over time. And since we provide an economic basis or a budget, you can actually see what your enablement outcome or opportunity value is over time and go back and look at your ROI for those enablements. And now up here, we can see our cumulative expected flow time and realized opportunity value over time. Thank you. We hope it gave you a really good idea of the power of nVeris.